Hello and welcome to Afro Entertainment. If this is your first time of stopping by, you are very much welcome. Please kindly subscribe to my channel and share my videos. If you are a returning subscriber, I very much appreciate. Hit on the notification bell to get the latest videos. Thank you. Social media went in a frenzy after Fikile Mbalula hashtagged #VoteEFF on Twitter. Now South Africans are confused to why he would say that. Has he taken a different side? Has he turned against his beloved ANC and bestie Cyril Ramaphosa? These are some of the questions in our minds currently. However, we will take you through the whole search with in-depth research and facts. The hype brought by hashtag tweeted by Fikile Mbalula is highly being driven down. This comes after he tweeted #VoteEFF on a post that is supposedly meant to promote the ANC campaign for the next coming elections. Although he came back to address the issue, claiming that the hashtag was a mistake. South Africans think otherwise, claiming that he knows by heart that he favors the opposing party regardless of being in the order. Mbalula is a fighter by heart, an ANC member by work, says one user. In the very same post, Mbalula said that it is hectic for the EFF leaders to get people on their side, but this will surely bump up the numbers as he labels it a free promotion, aka tweet freebie from him. Later, he slams EFF for being excited over a grammatical error while claiming that he understands their current struggle and no wonder the EFF leader was so enthusiastic about it. One tweet says that Mbalula does this in each and every election, while the other vows that he must join EFF since they can't beat them. Do you think this was a grammatical error or Mbalula did it on purpose? If so, do you think Mbalula would turn against Cyril Ramaphosa and the rest of the party, and why? It has now been hours since the country has witnessed something unexpected, and this has then led to those who belong to it. This is because when two political parties go against each other's motives, the other party is bound to make mistakes. This is because one of ANC's old friends seems to be admired a lot, and this has then led to him posting something disturbing on his Twitter account. It is not yet known why this comrade did something like this and with what motive to achieve, as it is not for the first time happening. It can be said that maybe he either missing his old friend. Duduzile Zuma, the first daughter of the former president of the country, Jacob Zuma, from the unexpected explosive bombshell to the current Minister of Transport Fikile Mbalula for his posting mistakes. This is because it is for the second time it is happening, and people are now thinking that maybe he's missing the relationship he had with Julius Malema while he was still in the ANC. It is not a secret that the two used to be best buddies during the time Julius Malema was still the president of the Youth League, and his suspension brought wedge between the two. People are now talking on Twitter about whether Fikile Mbalula is ready to reunite with his friend or not till the deputy president of the EFF received the mistake of Mbalula as he revealed his true colors of the EFF. Even though it was a mistake, but someone like this, Fikile Mbalula, should have verified his mistake first before posting this picture on Twitter, as it has now driven the wedge between the ANC and the EFF. Fikile Mbalula will be expected to release a statement concerning his mistake voting for the EFF in the next local government election, as it was unexpected. Thanks very much for listening, and please do well to leave your comments in the comment section.